figure out these riddles. Okay, so we've got a couple riddles here. We are being math detectives, and we're going to look at them and see if we can answer them underneath the flaps, okay? So let's look at our first riddle or clue. Would you like to read that one for me, Anna Claire?
What is the value of the 3,000?
So read the number inside the family first.
300,000.
300. Don't forget what.
304,000.
There you go. She had to read the 304. The comma says stop and say the name.
990.
So what is the value of the 3 in 304,999? Okay, before I'm going to let you answer, somebody has to tell me what place the 3 is sitting in. What position, what place is it sitting in? What is it, Hunter? Good. So we know it's in the thousands family. This is the hundreds place inside the thousands family. 100,000s. So I'm going to open up. I'm going to write my 3. There's a couple ways to figure out value. If you know the place, you can say to yourself, there are 300,000s. That means there are 3 groups of 100,000. Or if you're still not sure, you can count the places behind it and see how many zeros it would have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Good. Now, how do I know where to put the comma? Do you know?
At the end.
So I start at the end, then I have to count in how many places. Hunter.
At the 3, you gotta count in 3 zeros.
So 1, 2, 3, comma. Because every single little group or family has 3 spaces or places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
You're telling me that that 3 is with those 2, and then comma, say their name.
Exactly. So this 3 is in the thousands family. So this is 300,000. And then there's nothing else to say. The value of the 3 is 300,000. Okay, now we have in this clue 600,000s, 4 thousands, 7 ones. What number would that make? Okay, so let's open it up and see if we can figure it out. In fact, I want to keep it close so we can kind of see for a second. I'm going to go on the whiteboard and show you so that we can then write it down under there. All right, so we have 600,000s. I'm going to start putting my places down, and you tell me when I get to the 100,000s place. All right? What place is this? There's just one. It's the ones place. Good job, Bella. What place is this? The tens. What place is this? The hundreds. Have we gotten to the 100,000s place yet? No. I know there's 3 spots, so I need a comma. What place is this?
The
1,000s. What place is this? The 10,000s. What place is this? The 100,000s. It says we have 600,000s. Where should the 6 go? The 100,000s place. Okay. It says we have 4 thousands. Is this the thousands place?
No.
This?
No.
This?
No.
This?
Yes.
This is the 1,000s place. We have 4 of them.
What a 0 for the 10?
Oh, good. I want to go ahead and fill in the numbers I know I have, and then I'll remember that Very, very important step, Anna Claire. Thank you. How many? 7 is in the what place? How many what? 7 ones. Am I in the ones place?
Yes.
Now, am I done?
No.
Do I have any 10,000s?
No.
Do I have any hundreds?
No.
Do I have any tens?
No.
No. There is absolutely nothing wrong when you are figuring out your answer to write out your places. In fact, it helps me do it. I'm going, okay, I'm getting the numbers into the right places, and then I can make sure I have zeros in all the places that are empty. So when you guys are working on your math, you should have a scrap piece of paper out that you're working on, and you are welcome to a scrap piece of paper anytime. Don't try to do it in your head. Write it down. Give yourself that visual. Got scrap paper? If you're at home, get a piece of scrap paper. Write out your places. Help yourself figure out the problem on paper. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my flap. All right, what number is it? Hunter.
604.
Okay, so there's the number in the thousands place. 604,007. Good job.
It was fun for me to
That's a hard one, isn't it? Oh, do you want to say it again?
Yeah, it was
Good
fun
job,
for
Bella.
me to squeeze that in.
It is a 6-digit number. It is hard to squeeze in.
So I had to write it down.
How many 10,000s are in the number 24,906? 24,906. Okay, I could change this question. I could ask you lots of questions with this number. Hunter, how many ones? 6. Walker, how many hundreds? What's in the hundreds place? 9. There are 9 hundreds. Tanner. Hey, Tanner. Tanner, right here, buddy. How many 10s are in this number? Look right here. This is the tens place. Bella, how many 10s do you see in this number?
0.
There are 0 10s. How many? What's this place? Hunter, what's this place?
4,000.
Be careful. What's the place?
1,000.
The 1,000. So, Hunter, how many 1,000s do we have? 4. The question was, how many 10,000s do we have?
0.
This is the 10,000s place. How many?
2.
2. There are 2 10,000s. So if you were asked how many in each place, all you have to do is go find that place and look for the number in it. Okay, the next clue. There are 8 10,000s, 4 thousands, and 5 ones. I'm going to get out my scrap paper. I'm going to give myself some places to fill. I know I have a ones place, a tens place, a hundreds place, a 1,000s, and a 10,000s. Because look, 10,000s is the biggest place that's mentioned. All right, Hunter, what's going to go in the ones place?
5.
There are 5 ones. Okay, Walker, does it say anything about tens? 8 10,000s, 4,000s, 5 ones. Are there any just tens? Do you see where it just says tens? It says 10,000s. No tens. So what should I put in the tens place?
A 0.
A 0. Anna Claire, any hundreds?
No.
What do I need?
A 0.
Bella, any just thousands? This is the 1,000s place, so it's called thousands. Right here, the suitcase. 8 10,000s, 4,000s. So if it says 4,000s, what do I need in this?
A 4.
A 4. And then Hunter, what do I need in the 10,000s place?
Ooh, I know.
What's the number, Anna Claire?
Wait, what are we
What's the whole number?
talking? 84,000.
Scrap paper. Work it out. Give yourself those places. Don't try to do it in your head. Give yourself the best chance to get it right. Okay.
Not them right.
How many hundreds are in 78,032? Okay, I'll open it up for you. There are 0. Yeah. There's 2 ones, 3 tens, 0 hundreds. Did you write a 0 on there?
Yeah, I did.
Good job. All right, this one is trying to trick you. You're not going to let it, but it's trying. There are 13 hundreds, 4 tens, 30 ones. Okay, so if I make my places like we've been doing, this one just goes up to hundreds according to the problem. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, go to the ones place. Can we put 30 in the ones place? No. What happens? Well, look at the number 30. 30 is how many tens? 3. So we really, if we look at this, this is equal to 3 tens. So if we can't write 30 ones in the ones place, we could put what number in the tens place? 3. Good job. Now, does it give us any tens?
Yes.
It already had 4 tens. We just discovered that there's actually 3 more. So really, how many tens is in this number?
Really?
They already had 4.
7.
We discovered that there's 3 more because 30 is equal to 3 tens. So in the tens place, there's actually a 7. Now, do we have any ones?
No.
No. Now, if this number had been, let's say they had told us that they had 31 ones, this would have been 3 tens and how many ones? 1 left over, so 1 1. But it didn't do that. So that's just an example. So according to this problem, we know we don't have any ones because those 31s really are 3 tens. Okay, how many hundreds do we have? How many hundreds, Bella?
A 3.
Well, you're right. What does it say on the problem, though? How many hundreds? Do you see what it says? 13 hundreds. Okay, so I'm going to put back my number. We know that that's correct. Can I put a 13 in the tens place?
No.
No.
It's already been used up.
13 is 2 digits. But look carefully. If this is 13 hundreds, that's the same as this. 1300. Sorry. Because hundreds has 2 zeros, right? Every 100 has 2 zeros.
So do we just go
So, yeah, exactly. Look what happens. When I go to write my 13, the 3 is going to stay in the hundreds place. But where does the 1 go?
in the thousands place?
Because, guys, 10 hundreds equals what? Equals 1,000. So this right here is saying you have 10 hundreds. And 10 hundreds, if I have a $100 bills, ooh, that'd be exciting. I've got 10 $100 bills.
You'd be rich.
I'm really holding how much money? How much is 10 hundreds worth?
1,000.
Good job, Tanner. 1,000, which is 1 whole group of 1,000.
You get really rich.
So look at what our number really is.
It's really 1,370.
Good job. Excellent detective work, my friends. 1,370. Very nice job.
Oops, I put the wrong thing.